Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on UMA. As in my earlier videos, we were following a breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern that was happened on the 7 days time frame chart. Now recently after the breakout, the price line has formed another down channel, and by the way, this channel is formed on the daily time frame chart. And right now you can see it is dropped down at the support of this channel. At the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support of $2.50. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $2.50 had been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here and resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it is working as a support. And at the same time, UMA has also tested this quite long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That was previously working as a resistance. And I've been telling you before breaking out this cloud and even breaking out this wedge as well, that once UMA will be able to break out this wedge, then it can finish this long-term downtrend, and after breaking out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, it can turn even more bullish, and you can see that we had a very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that UMA has pumped almost 520%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $7.08. In fact, this is a complete resistance on that starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. And previously, this resistance zone had been working as a very strong support zone here. You can see for several weeks, the price has been testing the support zone here and here and here and here as well. And after the breakdown, since after the month of January 2022, it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. We got rejection here. And this is the most recent rejection that has happened here in the month of January 2024. And now we have broken down so many significant support levels, and right now we are testing this support of $2.50. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for UMA that I shared in the month of Feb 2024 on 17th of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that UMA was completing on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal, read the sell target zone here, and it again started another reversal, and this time we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 33% pump on this daily time frame chart. And before that, we caught almost 12% pump in the month of January 2024, and that was another expected harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that UMA was completing with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the leg here, entered the buying zone. Then we had a nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 13%, 12% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of UMA. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently UMA has formed this down channel after this rejection by this resistance of $7.08. The price and dropped down, and now it is moving inside this down channel. Recently, you can see that it is dropped down at the support, and in fact, it is bounced from this support. And at the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term support of $2.50. In case of breaking down this down channel, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.38. And in that situation, the pricing can also break down this long-term support of $1.45. And if the price line breaks out the resistance, then target to the upside can be again here at the top of the channel where we have a lot of resistance. That is at $7.08. By the way, this time the resistance of the channel will be here approximately at $3.50. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we found the support of the channel here in the month of October 2020, and we found resistance here in the month of Feb 2021. And when the movement was quite squeezed, in those days, I've been sharing with you several videos that I've been telling you that now there is a very, very high probability because here we have a very, very strong resistance support zone that starts from $1.25 and goes to $1.45. And at the same time, the movement was quite squeezed inside this very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, I've been telling you in those days that now there is a very high probability that the price end may soon break out this wedge. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price and got rejected by this very, very long-term resistance on that starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. And previously, this level had been working as a support here, support here, support here, and resistance here as well. And now, recently, again, it worked as a strong resistance. Now you can see that after this recent drop, the price end has also tested this quite long-term support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And previously, this cloud had been working as a very, very strong resistance. We got rejections here. And before that, we got rejection here as well. And here we got another rejection. This was another rejection. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And now we are testing this cloud as a support as well. Therefore, here we have a lot of supports at this level of $2.55. This is a quite long-term support. We have the support of the channel, and we have also the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is approximately at $2.30. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, despite we had a very, very nice pump that is more than 500%, but still a very, very big and huge move due. That is a target for the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. That target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.